Okay, so what I'm working on right now, or what I'm about to begin working on, is this floor again, because I want to get it fully ready to be glued in. And this side is nice and flush for the most part. It's nice transition into the next piece. This needs to go down a little bit in the center, but I'll resolve that. But over here is obviously nowhere near as close as that. Over here needs quite a bit of work. See, we got a big lip along the whole distance. So yeah, that's what I want to fix right now. Baby, I'm crazy about you, and I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you, even though I don't tell you all the time. I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you, even though
Did you do it this quick when you did the other side?
No. I got some experience going on this side. The other side looks good though, eh? I did good over there.
Oh, well, that part is the one in the video for sure.
What?
Your face. Speak over the camera. I'm talking what a good you did. It does look good though.
Yeah. I noticed some cracking on this innermost layer. Right in the chine. It overlaps. It comes down the side of the hull and ends a few inches onto the bottom of the hull. And it just didn't look very strong to me. And when I ground it out, most of it was pretty good, but I did find some bad spots on both sides. But it's just in this innermost layer, so I'm not concerned about it now, especially now that I'm reinforcing it here. Up forward, I didn't really get to do this because the floor is already down, but I've been looking up there with my little lights and it looks pretty good. Doesn't look concerning to me.
I don't know how the quality of this video is because the sun is right in my eyes. You said what you had to say?
Yep.
Okay, what layer is this?
It's layer number 2.
How many more are you gonna do?
One more after this. This is our strength layer. We get the fillet, then we got a mat just to help us lay the 1708 into the corner easily, help it stick, and then a mat to just get everything nice finish. Okay, so I'm moving blocks. You and Nicholas can move the blocks, and I'll hold this front. You ready? Lift in now. Ready. Okay. Ready? Forward. Now y'all go under the shelf. And while still lifting, and I'm gonna put the front down first. So y'all don't let it touch the string yet. Hurry up. Okay? So that's in place. It's a tad low. That don't need to go this way, huh? Alright, the front gotta go this way a little bit. Possibly. Well, shimmy it. Shimmy it. There you go. Not better. This back corner is a little funny. This kind of don't need to go down. I need to come up and back a little bit. Like that. You're gonna lift all at the same time. Yes. Ready? Go. You gotta drop yourself. And I'm gonna put this. Close to where it needs to be. Sit down again. That'll do, right? That'll do. Okay. So what now y'all doing is just putting glue on the stringers now? Yes, sir. 1% should be good, eh? Alright, so it is in. Can't put no weight on it. You don't need it to shift. Up to the stringer. This side we didn't have enough to fill it out flush, but we'll come back and add to that later. And we get nice squeeze out up under there.
Say what you saying.
No. I don't wanna.
Say it.